Sleek design. Rounded corners and clear glass canopy allow viewing from multiple angles. Daylight, moonlight settings. Bright white LEDs create a shimmering sunlight effect. Blue LEDs produce a moonlit glow. Hidden filtration. Advanced, 3-stage filtration is out of sight to enhance aquarium viewing. Easy access. Hinged LED rail light and sliding glass canopy. Dimensions. The MarineLand Contour 3 aquarium measures 9.5 x 10 by 10. Top reviews from the United States. Great tank. I was gifted a king betta fish by my students in a flimsy tiny bowl, so one bought this tank to accommodate him in a bigger tank. He's all alone, so the 3-gallon tank was big enough for him. It's great for beginners and my betta has been thriving in there for a month now. I haven't owned fish for over 20 years, so I had no idea what I was doing. I did watch a few YouTube videos that suggested some modifications, but I only did one. Cutting V-shaped holes in the pump tube to facilitate water circulation behind the black wall where the pump, filter are housed and to ease up on the flow of water back into the tank. That alone worked great and there's not a huge current at all. The lights and overall appearance of the tank are awesome. The only downside is that due to it being glass, it's just a wee bit heavier to carry. Other than that, great tank.